Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to perform a lab exercise using Copilot in Microsoft Outlook. In the previous sessions, we explored how to use Copilot in Microsoft Word and Copilot in Excel. Now it's time to see how Copilot can help us draft and improve emails in Outlook. Let's walk through the steps required to complete this exercise. For this lab, I have already documented the steps that we will follow. As usual, we will start by opening the provided URL. I will include this URL in the description or comment section of this video so you can follow along. Let me open the URL. Once we open the link, it launches Microsoft 365. As you can see, I am currently logged in using the Isaac Newton account, which has the Microsoft Copilot license enabled. To access Outlook, we simply click on the Outlook application from the Microsoft 365 app launcher.
You can see that we are inside Microsoft Outlook. Now let's move to step 2. In this step, we need to create a new email
And enter all employees in the to field. In my tenant, I have created a distribution group called All Company, which includes all employees in the organization. Let me demonstrate this. I will click on New Mail, and in the to field, I will enter All Company. Now let's move to step 3. Here, we need to use Copilot to draft the email. In the Email Compose toolbar, we'll see the Copilot icon. When you click this icon, you will see the option Draft with Copilot. However, there is a slightly better approach. Instead of typing manually, we can provide a prompt to Copilot so it can generate a complete email draft for us. Let's move to step 4, where we use the prompt. I will copy the prompt that I have prepared for this exercise. Now I go back to Outlook, click the Copilot icon, and select Draft with Copilot. You will see several options available, such as short and friendly message, request information, provide an update, announcement, newsletter. In our SCE scenario, we want to create a professional announcement email, so I will select the announcement option. Now I will paste the prompt and click Generate. You can see that Copilot has started generating the email based on the prompt we provided. Within a few seconds, Copilot creates a complete professional email draft, including the greeting, main message, and closing. This demonstrates how Copilot can significantly reduce the time required to draft professional communications. Now let's move to step 5. In this step, we review the generated email. You will notice that Copilot has structured the email properly with a professional greeting, clearly organized key points, a well-written closing statement. The structure of the email depends on the prompt we provide, which shows how powerful prompt-based AI assistants can. Now let's move to step 6. Here we will explore the tone adjuster feature. Copilot allows us to change the tone of the email automatically. To do this, we first select the entire email content. Then we click the Copilot icon again and choose Change Tone. You will see several tone options available, including direct, casual, formal, poetic. Let's try the casual tone first. As you can see, Copilot has rewritten the message in a more relaxed and conversational style. If we want, we can try another tone. Let's try the direct tone. You will notice that the email becomes shorter and more concise, focusing only on the key message. Now let's try the formal tone. Here the email becomes more professional and structured, which is ideal for official communication. Finally, let's try the poetic style just to see how creative Copilot can be. When we select poetic, Copilot rewrites the message in a creative, poetic format. This demonstrates the flexibility of Copilot in adjusting communication styles. Of course, for most business scenarios, we will typically use professional or direct tones, but it is interesting to see the capabilities available. Now, let's discuss an important observation. So far in this course, we have seen how Copilot behaves differently across various Microsoft 365 applications. When we used Copilot in Word, it helped us generate structured documents and written content. When we used Copilot in Excel, it acted more like a data analyst, helping us analyze data, create charts, and derive insights. Now in Outlook, Copilot acts like an AI writing assistant, helping us draft emails quickly, improve wording, and adjust tone depending on the communication scenario. This shows how the same Copilot technology adapts its behavior depending on the application we are using. Oh, guys, that's all for this session. In this lab, we learned how to draft and refine emails using Copilot in Outlook. In the next session, we will explore Copilot in PowerPoint and see how it can help us create presentations more efficiently. I will see you in the next session. Until then, take care and happy learning.